o'clock, and lately I've been getting up at like 10, 11, 12, and I figured if I don't put a stop to this now, it'll just get later and later, and I always beat myself up when I don't get up early, so I feel like I just kind of waste the day. But I'm also trying to get back into the swing of things. Like, I have things on my mind that I want to do. It's literally in my calendar, but then I just kind of keep shifting them day by day. So let's have a productive day, and yeah. I always start the day with a little cuddle from Chloe. Right, Chloe? Right. I feel like she's used to me getting up later, so she came in the bed a little late, and now I'm up. Before anyone tries to judge me, I took a shower last night, okay? Someone wants to love me. Mm-hmm. To eat for breakfast either. What do you want? What do you want for breakfast? Yeah, I think I'll have oatmeal too. I think I'll have oatmeal too. Throughout this whole video, she was literally just staring at me with those judgment eyes. Right? Look at her. Judging.
Hello. I'm putting you in the washing machine. Anyway, using Tide Pods, doing laundry. That was on my to-do list, even though I have not wrote it down yet. It was just a mental thing. Yeah. There's a lot happening in my apartment, and it's really loud. Okay, I am starting the cleaning montage in 3, 2, 1.